Sorry guys, DJ na. DJ, hindi ko na tawag rin ko. Saan ka dyan? Basta ko na po mga gaya. Once again, ito ang mga and right now, on the 5th day of July 2025. By the way, with me this afternoon is your host, Ray, who will give you fun and unforgettable wedding celebration. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we begin this afternoon's festivities with the best lollipop! Dili ko gusto ko anong nila yung pakpak perting hinaya. Once, ladies and gentlemen, can you make it louder? Can you do it louder? Atau mas gusto na regala? Pero paligid ng magpalakas na palakpakan! Bukan mo, wala kami pakita, simpa o pakpak. Listen, ladies and gents. It is, ladies and gentlemen, that a song won't be called a song until someone sings it. And a bell won't be called a bell until someone rings it. The love that we have here in our hearts wasn't put there to stay, because love won't be called love till you give it away. Ladies and gentlemen, now that the vows have been said and the rings exchanged, it has been so much excitement that I introduce to you our dearest Joseph and Karil. Ninos and Inos, kung hindi ang mga panagtungo na sa inyong lamisa, the people napkins, kung inyo na kami ito na, you wake it up high as we welcome the new Mr. and Mrs. Mahusa! Hey, let's go! Hey, uy, let's go! Ito na ko yan ang sir, uy! Hey, 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 hey! Bring it on! Let's go! More! Pero tingin sa ilang mga very modern, hindi at mga kasalo. Let's go! And now join the rest of the parts of the watching. Come on, let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, let us all witness our newlyweds' long, sweet kiss in 3, 2, 1. Make some noise! Come on! Huwag pinatunggan diri ay. Let's go! Kaya kung katulog sa mga bisita din is kayo. Tinog ka ra! Mga tinog! Hello! Come on, I can hear your voices. Hello, make some noise! Let's go! More!
We thank you for the gift of this beautiful day, a day filled with joy, love, and celebration.
Get closer.
debutante Oka. Ayaw ito na mga 14. Royal Lorraine team na Blue Bills, Jaylan and Palug sa ko Jaylan and John Ernest. Pictures sa please. And also the wine, please.
Alright mga boss, so padung na ta sa pangkatulo natong rescue hon. So manamatos pangkaduha no. Sa pangkatulo na sa ta mga boss. So, magbiyahe ta. Let's go.